So welcome back to my channel, and it's been a long time since I uploaded a new video on my channel. So I was busy, I wasn't able to upload a video, but I've created so many projects that I was unable to make videos on. And later when I wanted to make a video, I realized that I haven't done any React crash course on my channel. So I decided to make a video on React. And what is React? React is a JavaScript library and which allow us to create our website more easily and allow us to make use of reusable components instead of doing more tasks. It will limit our tasks, and it will also make our work more neater and faster. And without further ado, let's dive in. And for us to create a React application, you need to type in the command line npx create React app, and after that you're going to type in the name of your project. Maybe it's a to-do application, and to-do application or any other thing. But since I've already created a folder, as you can see the name of my folder right here, React Crash Course, I just have to put in a dot symbol which indicate that we are installing the React app inside this folder. And let me click enter, and our React application will start to process, and it might take some period of time, so I will be back. Alright guys, so you can see right here now that our React app is successfully created. And if you see happy hacking whenever you create a React application and you see happy hacking, that means your React app is successfully created. So let's dive into the folders and let's see what the React app is made up. And right here we have the src, which is the source folder, and this is app.css, which is the main CSS entry for the React application. So you can see right here we have the default CSS for the React application, and inside the app.js, this app.js is a component, and you can see it starts with a capital letter. So remember, whenever you want to create a component in React application, make sure the first letter starts with a capital letter, and that is it. And right here we have a function which returns some component, some divs, and you can see right here we have a div which is the parent to all others elements. And you can see, so right here we have a div with a class name of app, and this app is the main component, which is the direct component to the entry of our React application. Right here you can see now we have a class name of app. So let's go right here and see the index.js, and you can see now the app component is import to the index.js, which this index.js will render it to our root directory, and which the root directory is right here inside our public folder. And you can see right here index.html. So wait for it to load right here. So we have some bunch of comments, so right here, but in our next video we are going to clean some up. And right here, and you can see right here we have a div which is with the ID of root, and this is the main entry for our React application. As you can see back there when I show you that this index.js is referring to the div. And so let's wait, and you can see right here document.getElement by ID root, which is the previous which is the ID I showed you a while ago. And this is our app, and this is our application, and this is our index.css. You can see that we have app.css and also also index.css. This is our parent CSS, which means it has access to all other components in our React application. And we have report web vital.js, and this report web vitals gives notification whenever we are having some issues with our React application. So in our next video, we are going to be diving into the React and how to create some components. So if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button, and see you in my next video.